VMware Cloud Product Suite, vSphere, NSX, vSAN, Tanzu, and more. VMware Cloud is a powerful platform that enables businesses to build, manage, and scale their IT infrastructure seamlessly across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. To achieve this, VMware offers a suite of products designed to enhance virtualization, networking, storage, security, and application modernization. Let's explore some of the key solutions in the VMware Cloud ecosystem. 1. VMware vSphere, the foundation of virtualization. VMware vSphere is the leading server virtualization platform, allowing businesses to consolidate workloads and maximize resource utilization. Key features: hypervisor-based virtualization to run multiple virtual machines on a single server. vMotion for live migration of VMs with zero downtime. Distributed Resource Scheduler (DRS) for automatic load balancing. Enhanced security with vSphere Trust Authority. Use case: vSphere helps organizations optimize hardware usage while ensuring high availability for critical applications. 2. VMware NSX, Advanced Networking and Security. VMware NSX is a software-defined networking (SDN) solution that enables organizations to manage and secure network infrastructure through automation and microsegmentation. Key features: microsegmentation for stronger security and compliance. Virtual networking that spans on-prem and multi-cloud environments. Automated network provisioning to accelerate deployment. Zero Trust security to prevent lateral movement of threats. Use case: NSX is widely used for securing cloud workloads, automating network policies, and ensuring compliance in regulated industries. 3. VMware vSAN, Software-Defined Storage. VMware vSAN is a hyper-converged storage solution that integrates directly with vSphere to simplify storage management. Key features: eliminates the need for traditional SAN NAS storage. Automated storage policies to ensure performance and redundancy. Built-in data encryption and security. Cloud-native storage support for modern applications. Use case: vSAN enables businesses to reduce storage costs, improve scalability, and enhance data protection for cloud workloads. 4. VMware Tanzu, Modern Application Development. VMware Tanzu is a Kubernetes-based platform that helps organizations build, manage, and scale modern applications using containers and microservices. Key features: Kubernetes runtime for deploying cloud-native apps. Integrated CI/CD pipelines for automated software delivery. Multi-cloud compatibility for deploying workloads anywhere. Observability and monitoring tools to optimize app performance. Use case: Tanzu is ideal for DevOps teams looking to accelerate application delivery and streamline Kubernetes management. 5. VMware Cloud Foundation, Unified Hybrid Cloud Platform. VMware Cloud Foundation (VCF) is a fully integrated software-defined data center (DCC) platform that combines vSphere, NSX, vSAN, and vRealize suite for hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Key features: end-to-end automation for cloud operations, pre-integrated security and compliance, consistent management across private and public clouds, optimized workload performance for AI, ML, and databases. Use case: VCF simplifies cloud adoption by providing a unified solution for managing workloads across multiple cloud environments. Final thoughts: VMware Cloud's product suite provides a comprehensive platform for virtualization, networking, security, storage, and application modernization. Each solution plays a crucial role in helping businesses optimize their IT infrastructure while ensuring performance, security, and scalability in hybrid and multi-cloud environments. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into VMware Cloud deployment models and best practices to help you implement these solutions effectively. Let's continue.